August 1971, NASA launched Apollo 15, a turning point in lunar exploration. Apollo 15 combined science, mobility, and seasoned astronauts for a new kind of mission. This mission introduced the Lunar Roving Vehicle, extending range across the lunar surface. Commanded by David Scott with lunar module pilot James Irwin, Apollo 15 aimed for geology. They would become the 7th and 8th humans to walk on the moon. Over the next minutes, we examine the mission, the men, and the rover. Apollo 15 launched on July 26, 1971 from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The landing site was Hadley, Apennine, chosen for its varied geology and mountains. Falcon, the lunar module, descended to a valley near the Apennines for exploration. Apollo 15 emphasized geology with longer surface stays and targeted sample collection. The mission carried specialized instruments, cameras, and the first practical lunar rover. These choices reflected a shift from demonstration flights to detailed scientific work. David Scott served as mission commander, already experienced in spaceflight and EVA operations. James Irwin was lunar module pilot and Air Force test pilot turned astronaut. Both astronauts trained intensively in geology to identify key lunar samples. Their teamwork and calm under pressure were critical to the mission's scientific goals. On July 30th, they ascended to the surface and began a series of planned EVAs. Their actions on the surface added depth to our understanding of lunar history. The Lunar Roving Vehicle unfolded and became the mission's mobile laboratory and transport. With the rover, they reached distant geology that would have been otherwise inaccessible. Scott and Irwin completed multiple EVAs, traversing the landscape and collecting samples. Scott performed a televised demonstration of Galileo's experiment in lunar gravity. They returned roughly 77 kilograms of samples, including diverse rock types and soil cores. In total, the rover covered approximately 27 kilometers during surface operations. Apollo 15 splashed down and returned to Earth on August 7, 1971, carrying priceless data. The mission validated mobile exploration and expanded the scope of lunar science missions. David Scott and James Irwin left a lasting legacy as pioneers of lunar geology. Their work influenced later mission design and ideas about human mobility on other worlds. Quick recap: Apollo 15, 1971, first lunar rover. Scott and Irwin, 7th and 8th moonwalkers. Their mission changed how humanity explores other worlds and taught us more about our moon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow Mind Beyond Time for more short stories about science, mystery,